From mula dito sa State of Qatar, dito sa May Sea Line Beach. Ayan. Salubungin na natin ang napakagandang umaga, ang bukang liwayway, ang sunrise. As you can see, ito yung desierto. Desierto and dagat for today's video. Actually guys, it's very early in the morning, around 5 a.m. nandito na po kami with my circle of friends here in Qatar.
Rectangle talaga.
Mr. EJ, Mr. EJ, Mr. Doms, Mr. Mac, and Mark, Mr. Mark. Ayan guys, we are having our Eid celebration here in State of Qatar. Ano yan guys, kakarating lang namin ngayon dito. So, ang ganap, kakain. Magbe-breakfast kami dito. Tapos, siguro magstay kami dito for 3 hours. Hanggang mga 8 or 9 ganun. So, ayan lang naman guys ang dagat dito. If I'm going to describe, it's amazing. It's simply beautiful. Ayan. Medyo hindi masyadong madami yung tao. Kakaunti pa.